how to change location on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you have enabled developer mode on your iPhone, and if not, then follow the prompts on the screen to enable the developer mode. And now go ahead and open the iAnyGo application on your Mac. And if you don't have the app, open your preferred browser and go to tenoshare.com. Further, tap on the Download iAnyGo option from TenoShare on your Mac or PC. Now go ahead and connect your iPhone via USB and unlock it. Now open the iAnyGo app on your Mac and then choose the Change Location option, and further, in the search bar there, type any address or city. Now tap on the Start to Modify option and wait for the modification to complete, and once completed, your location will be changed successfully on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.